What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about Zcash road to $1,000 per coin, realistic bull market targets. So in this video we're talking about the targets I expect for Zcash, looking at the Zcash dollar price chart, how far are we from our target of $1,000, looking at the Zcash versus Bitcoin price chart, Zcash versus Ethereum price chart, and guys, as always, we'll also look at the Zcash market cap chart and the Zcash dominance chart. We're going to be talking about that and more, but first, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Guys, at the point of recording this video, Zcash is currently ranked number 50 on CoinMarketCap. One Zcash is currently going for $122, and Zcash has a market capitalization of $1.7 billion. It has a fully diluted market cap of $2.5 billion, and at the point of recording this video, guys, Zcash has a trading volume of $290 million. Guys, you can see right now that Zcash is down 58% in the last 1 year, Zcash is down 31% in the last 1 month, and is down 18% in the last 1 week. But we are still hoping that Zcash will go to $1,000 in the nearest future. Guys, the journey to $1,000 is not going to be very smooth. It's not going to be all happiness all the way. There will be plenty bumps. You can see that even the guys that bought in the COVID sell-off here in March 2020, before they could get to 350 and get over 1,200% return on their investment, they had enough turbulence on the way. You see Zcash first pumps around 300% here. After that, Zcash dumped how many percent? Zcash dumped another 50%. They had to stomach 50% drawbacks a lot of times. For you to enjoy the pump, you have to enjoy the dump. If you're hodling, if you're a trader, you just go in for profit and get out. But on this channel, we're hodling, we're following it to the end till it gets to $1,000. And in this video, we're looking at other targets apart from $1,000. Somebody asked me a question: what if Zcash doesn't get to $1,000, and where will I be selling my Zcash? Guys, I'm using the Fibonacci extension tool on the dollar price chart and on the market cap chart. Starting on the dollar price chart, you can see that the all-time high for Zcash is around $942. I'll start there and I'll go to the bottom of Zcash, which was around 2020. Zcash bottomed around $20. Can you believe that? Zcash actually was going for $20 that day, that everything was going for cheap. And you can see that one of the targets I'll be looking out for is another $1,000 region. That's around the previous all-time high. That was just like Bitcoin getting back to 20k after it got to 20k in 2017, 2018 and crashed back to 3k. It's like Bitcoin going back to 70k. That's around that region, because when it gets back to that $1,000 region, guys, I bought my Zcash around $83. For it to get back to that region, I would have been up over 1,100%, and that's cool for me on Zcash. Now, for Zcash to get to $1,000, guys, Zcash still needs around 734%. We know that we have seen Zcash done way higher percentages, and that is very possible. But another target is that after $1,000, what next? Guys, $1,500 will be another important region for Zcash. You can see that the Fibonacci retracement tool is showing us that that place will be an important region, either to provide support or to act as a resistance. After that level, then we'll have to be talking about 2,400, maybe 2,500. Then when it gets into the final top, this will be when everybody will be on the Zcash nuts. Everybody wants to get Zcash. Zcash will be going to around $3,300. Is it possible, guys? This is crypto. Far crazier things have happened. And remember, Zcash has been consolidating for a very long time. Since January 2018 that Zcash got to $900. Since then, it has not even smelled above $500. So there have been enough time for the big players in the market to actually accumulate a lot of Zcash. And if Zcash ever gets to $3,000, guys, that's where they will be selling their Zcash front, left, and center. Guys, we're also looking at the Zcash market cap chart, and let's be seeing targets that we can pick out. Now, this is the price chart. For Zcash to even get to that at $3,000 using this Fibonacci extension tool on the price chart. For Zcash to get to that $3,000, guys, Zcash will still have to pump over 2,500%. Is it possible? It's very possible, but guys, let's take it one step at a time. Now let's look at the Zcash market cap chart. What is the Zcash market cap chart showing us? It's giving us another different story. Apparently, on the Zcash market cap chart, it's showing us that Zcash actually broke into new all-time highs in 2021. If you look at the dollar chart of Zcash, you see that Zcash didn't break into new all-time high in 2021. In 2021, Zcash just got to as high as $366. But in 2017, 2018, Zcash was going for around $900. But in the market cap chart in 2021, when Zcash was just going for only $336, it was in a new all-time high. Now, somebody might be wondering, why is that possible? Guys, it's because new Zcash were being mined during the bear market here, so we have more Zcash in circulation. That's why the market cap chart is past the previous all-time high, but still the price is not above the new all-time high. Now you can see that when the market cap chart got to the previous all-time high, it actually had some resistance there. It found a way to break through it. People thought we were going to the moon, but that has been the place that have been hard for us to pass. You can see that as early as March 29, 2022, we still went back to that region to test it, and we got rejected off it. We'll be going back there again to test it in the nearest future. But guys, for Zcash to reach its full extension on its market cap chart, Zcash only has to pump a 550% pump, and that's telling me that if Zcash should pump 550% on the price chart, where will Zcash be from Zcash's current location for Zcash to pump 550%? Guys, look at that. Zcash should just be at its previous all-time high, and guys, that will be a very, very important level for us to notice. When Zcash start getting to its all-time high around 700, getting to $800, I feel like that will be a very important place to take some profits off the table, because I mean, from 800 to 1000, how many percent are you leaving off the table? We are just leaving around 28%, which you can get any day. But to risk all that from holding Zcash from around $80 to risk all that after $800, I don't think it will make sense, because after $800 you're already up over 800%, and that's the point, not to get greedy. If the market's in extreme greed, then that will be some very, very good time to take some off the table around that $800 region. So if we don't get to 1k, we might actually have to stop in 800, but you know, we have to pass 800 to go to 1k. So 800 we're in that place to actually take some of the table, because the market cap chart is telling us that if Zcash pumps around 550%, it will be hitting the top. And if we are going to assume that Zcash is going to behave like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum hit their own top, and guys, guess what? Bitcoin and Ethereum actually got rejected off their own market cap chart. Let me just pull it up right here for you to see. When Bitcoin got to its full extension, it got rejected. Look at what Bitcoin did. When Bitcoin got to its full extension of its market cap chart, it got rejected. Guys, we are seeing that Bitcoin actually got rejected here. If Zcash is going to get rejected here too, that means Zcash will be going for around $800 at that point. And I believe Bitcoin is a leader in the market. It shows us what the rest of the market will do. So I'm expecting Zcash market cap chart to actually get up to this region, and that will be around $800 per Zcash. I'll be letting some of my Zcash go. But guys, before Zcash actually gets $800 or $1000, we will see Zcash increase in its valuation against Bitcoin. Since the last time we made an update video, Zcash has actually gained value against Bitcoin. Zcash has gained around 46% of its value against Bitcoin, but we want to see Zcash gain more against Bitcoin. We want to see Zcash go to the levels the last time that Zcash was very high against Bitcoin. That was June 15, 2017, and that will mean Zcash should go up almost 5,000%. Do I think Zcash should do that? I don't think Zcash is ready for that yet. We just need Zcash to give us maybe a 1000% pump, so that we'll go to levels not seen since May 2018. Is that possible? Guys, that's very possible. Zcash against Ethereum too is showing us that if you're flipping your Ethereum right now for Zcash, you're going to be getting a whole lot of Zcash, and that will be a smart move, because Ethereum have actually gone on its full extension, and Ethereum 2 has actually gotten rejected in its market cap chart. So I actually believe that the Bitcoin and Ethereum's bull run might be probably over, but coins like Zcash, Dash, XRP, many of these altcoins I bring you on this channel, I still feel they have room to run. You still have room to get more profits. Like, feel for Zcash to go to the levels where it was in November 2018 against Ethereum, Zcash will have to pump over 1500% against Ethereum. That means Zcash will outperform Ethereum by over 1500%. Is it possible? Guys, this is crypto, and when Altseason comes, you will see how all these things will be going to the moon. Now the Zcash dominance chart is telling us similar story, that the last time Zcash had the highest dominance in the market was June 2017. Since then, Zcash has been losing market dominance. Apparently, it has actually lost. Zcash has actually lost over 88 of the market share it had in June 2017. Will you see Zcash gain back those market shares? Guys, if Zcash is going to the moon and the market is actually going to the moon, we might see Zcash just gain back all its market dominance. Zcash has to go up over 470% for it to go back to where it was in 2017. That means Zcash has to be dominating the market with over 0.5%. Right now, Zcash only has 0.1% of the total crypto market cap. If Zcash can get to 0.5, maybe 1% of total crypto market cap, we might be seeing crazy valuations for Zcash. Zcash might get to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Who can tell? Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. You want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.